Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Star Adams, and this is the first YouTube video that I've ever made. I'm extremely excited to get started with you guys opening up some Pokemon packs. As you can see here, I've already had 3 holo pulls that I had off video, and I just thought, you know what? Instead of just holding all this to myself, let's have some fun, let's record it, let's share this, let's share the excitement with people, you know? So I hope you guys are excited, and let's get started. Something I should mention is that all of these Pokemon are new to me. Except for generations 1 through 3, I have never played Sword and Shield. I kind of stopped after Pokemon Pearl and Diamond. So uh, this is all going to be a really great learning experience, and I'm very excited to jump into this. I'm sorry for stalling a little bit more, but I feel like this is something you guys should know in case I trip up trying to say names of Pokemon and things like that. So forgive me, please. And now that all that's said and done, let's go ahead and jump into the first pack. The rare is in the middle, so at least for these packs. So open it like so. One from the back. We have Energy, Clobus, and a Ghastly, all non-holo. I'm just going to go ahead and put those back into their respective pack. Go ahead and set this off over here. We're going to go ahead and just, go from the left over to the right. We're going to do each column in its respective order because that's just how I am. And so let's just jump into the next pack. Sorry in which the order I do things is kind of wonky. I am trying to figure things out for myself right now. And if there's anything you guys, have opinion-wise or tips or anything like that that I could do to make these openings a little bit more, exciting, or anything that I can do to make the videos a little bit better within my power, let me know in the comments down below. So we have a Sudowoodo, a Goldeen, and a Diglett. All right, wonderful. Put this back into its pack again. Set this off to the side. No holos yet, but we're working there. Trying my best to open these the way I feel like I want to. Oh, there we go. I'm being as gentle as I can be. That way I don't do anything dumb with the cards, bending anything. One from the back. And we have a Rhydon. Oh, wow. That's such a cool artwork. I love it. And we have a non-holo Baltoy. And we have a Wooloo. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, that's precious. I really love this Rhydon, though. Wow. That artwork is super cool. Now we can go ahead and put these cards back in their pack. And the last one for this row. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I'm hoping for a holo. excited. I'm excited. I'm anticipating. Come on. One from the back. We have air balloon. Oh, look at that. Reverse hollow Frostmoth. Ooh. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, wow. That is phenomenal. That is phenomenal. Last pack magic. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, wow. Wow. What a wonderful pull. I'm very, very happy with that. Very, very happy. Oh, my goodness gracious. I'm woo. Woo. Ah. I can't even. Ah. I can't handle myself right now. Can't handle it. Let's put these cards back in their pack. Woo. I'm not even gonna stop to cut the piece off, or cut the video off for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into this next pack. There ain't no stopping. We pulled a hollow. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good, guys. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. And one from the back. We have Trainer Hop, Rookdy, and Cramorant. Really cool cards. I've never heard of Cramorant. I really love the artwork for that Cramorant, actually. What a wonderful artwork. His eyes are a little off, though. I ain't gonna lie. That's gonna haunt my nightmares and dreams. It's just gonna be both. Also, tell me what country you guys are from, you know? Let me know where you're from. I want to know more about you guys. You know, anybody who watches this. I want to learn about you. I want to understand how the people in YouTube are. So we got Energy, Baltoy, and a Wooloo, that adorable creature. Look at that artwork one more time. Aw, so cute. Put the cards back in their pack. We'll have them on screen, why not? Next pack, of course. Ooh, I did get a little peek there. I ain't gonna lie to you. I kind of know what's coming up, but not. All I know is that it's a psychic type in the front. Take one from the back, of course. And we have the Pal Pad. Ooh, a Galarian Ponyta. Oh my god! Oh god! No way! A Sableye! Woo! Oh my god! 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 Wow! Wow, dude! What a beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Oh my god. I'm lightheaded. I am so elated right now. I swear that Galarian Ponyta, every time I see it, it brings such great luck. And oh wow. Wowzers. Oh, wow. Next pack though. Next pack. We're moving on. Oh man. Holy moly guaca. Holy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say right now. I really don't know what to say. That's the first V card I've ever pulled in my life. Oh, we got Pokegear 3.0. We have a Sizzlepede. We have a Snom. Oh, no Snom. Love Snom. So cute. I've actually seen Snom before in the Sun and Moon packs that I've opened. Wow. I can't get over that Sableye though. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. One from the back. And, oh my god. I did not just ruin that. We got Thwacky. We got Yamper. Little cute baby. And we have a reverse hollow Joltik. Look at the beauty on that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Wow. This is, oh man, this is going great. This is just going great. I am smiling from ear to ear. I haven't done this since I was a child. Making my first YouTube video. I've always wanted to make YouTube videos, and now I'm trying it out. I'm going for it. Wow, let's see. Like we just gotta look at how gorgeous that is. Oh wow, dude, just unreal. Like actually, it feels like a dream. It really does. Alrighty, one from the back. And we have Steel Energy. We have oh my god. We have a reverse hollow trainer hop. Let's go. Look at how wonderful that is. Oh, wow. What a wonderful copper hollow at the base there. That is a gorgeous shine. I'll tell you what. I know it doesn't look that great on camera, but wow, it looks phenomenal. I love the color. Wow. Wow. One from the back. And we have Psychic Energy, Mawile, and a non-hollow Gossifleur. Put those cards back in their pack. Only 3 left. Just gonna put these at the top. You'll see 3 hollows, the Boltund, the Ghastly, and the Sandaconda. I actually pulled those cards, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, off stream. I do stream, by the way, so do be sure to check me out at twitch.tv/StarAdams. These are all the hollows we've pulled from the packs that we got from Dollar General and Dollar Tree. And we are going to open up the last 3 packs. I'm elated right now. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Wow. I can't stop looking at that Sableye. It's just such a wonderful card. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, wow, we have an Aurora Energy. Wow, what a beautiful card. We have a Mawile, and we have a Gossifleur. Non-hollow, of course, and that's okay. Last 2 packs. I'm getting anxious. I'm getting excited. I hope these last 2 packs are as wonderful as I hope them to be. Doesn't matter what hollow. I just love collecting. One from the back. We have a Palpat, a Krabby, and a Koofend. Put these back in the pack. Keep them nice and safe. And last pack magic. Can we do it? Can we get that last pack magic? Can we get it? Don't worry, those cards are not bending. All right. Here we go. One from the back. We have a Kingler, a Sobble, and a Blip Bug non-hollow. All right. Well, that's all the packs. Phenomenal pulls. Honestly, for the first time ever opening, I didn't expect to pull anything, to be honest with you guys. And I'm just beyond happy. I am just absolutely beyond happy. So a little recap. We have Hop, reverse hollow. We have Sandaconda, reverse hollow. We have a Boltund, reverse hollow. A Ghastly, reverse hollow. Frostmoth, reverse hollow. And the last reverse, Joltik. And now, cream of the crop, Sableye IV. Phenomenal card, phenomenal pull. I am beyond excited. And I'm just as excited for you to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for everybody who has watched and has stuck with me all the way through the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, and I love you so much. Peace out.